82% of small businesses fail because of poor cash flow. It's a shocking but common statistic. But what if the real problem isn't your product, but a hidden flaw in how your money is managed? Simple bookkeeping errors are a silent killer, causing nearly 40% of all IRS penalties for small businesses. And your trusted in-house bookkeeper? Their true cost is far more than salary. It's over $13,000 yearly in hidden expenses. In this video, we'll break down how a modern approach, remote financial staff, solves these problems and transforms your business. So, how does going remote directly affect your bottom line? The numbers are genuinely staggering. Imagine cutting your financial management costs by 30, 50, even up to 60%. Beyond money, you reclaim your most valuable asset, your time. Hours spent on admin can now go to growing the business. You're no longer limited to local talent. You gain access to a nationwide pool of certified financial professionals. And if your one in-house person quits, remote teams provide built-in backup, so your financial operations never halt. Better talent for less money sounds great. But how does this system actually make your business more efficient? The first key is flexibility. Unlike a salaried employee, you are not paying for downtime. You pay only for work you need. During a busy quarter, you can scale up services instantly. In a slow season, scale down without layoffs. This aligns your costs with your revenue. This all sounds efficient, but you're probably thinking, is it safe? Isn't sending my financial data to a remote team a massive security risk? Let's talk about another mechanism: accuracy. Remote teams use automated systems that slash error rates to below 0.5%. Remember that 40% of IRS penalties from bookkeeping errors? This level of accuracy dramatically reduces your audit risk and saves you from fines. So we have a scalable, accurate system. What does this feel like for you, the business owner, day to day? It feels like control. With cloud-based platforms, your financial dashboard is available 24/7 on any device. No more waiting for reports. And to answer our earlier question, it is often more secure. Professionals use bank-grade encryption and secure infrastructure you likely can't afford alone. Tax season becomes stress-free. Your remote team handles proactive compliance all year, keeping up with changing laws so you don't have to. Okay, the technology is impressive, but what about the human element? Let's address the biggest myths head-on. Myth 1. I'll lose control over my finances. This is the most common fear, but the reality is the exact opposite. Having one person in your office with all the financial knowledge is a concentration of risk, not control. True control comes from transparent systems. With a remote team, you're empowered. The 24/7 dashboards we mentioned give you more visibility and control than you've ever had before. Myth 2. Communication will be difficult and impersonal. In reality, communication is structured and efficient with modern tools. Think scheduled video calls for strategic reviews and instant messaging for quick questions. It's more organized than just tapping on a shoulder. So, we've saved money, gained time, and corrected some myths. But what happens when we put all these pieces together? This isn't about outsourcing a task. It's about insourcing a strategic financial department for your company. The time you get back is strategic time. You can now focus on growth, guided by financial professionals providing budgeting and forecasting. Recall the 82% failure rate from poor cash flow? Your new strategic team actively prevents that with automated invoicing and payment reminders. This is the modern framework for sustainable small business growth. So, what is the final takeaway from all of this? We've seen that remote bookkeeping is not just a cheaper option. It is a fundamentally better one. It's more secure, accurate, and gives you more control. It transforms your financial operations from a necessary burden into your strategic co-pilot for business growth. Stop being the chief bookkeeper. Stop worrying about cash flow crises. Start being the CEO your business needs you to be. Ready to make the switch? See your options for a remote financial team and take control of your business's future today.